Hi everybody, my name's Troy Hawes. Welcome to another edition of My Acoustic Lounge. Today's guitar tutorial and cover is a song taken from the 1960s Motown. The song's called Can't Help Myself. Released in April 1965 by the Four Tops, it was written and produced by Motown's main production team of Holland, Dozier, and Holland. I Can't Help Myself is one of the most well-known Motown tunes of the 60s. It peaked at #1 on the Billboard Hot 100. Let's take a few minutes now and look at the chords and the chord progression to this #1 hit. Okay, this song has 4 very easy chords to play in it. Let's have a look at them now. First chord, G major. There's a D. There's an A minor. And then there's a C chord. Let's have a look again. G major. There's going to be a D. An A minor. And of course a C. Very, very easy. Let's take a couple minutes now and look at the chord progression and a little bit of strumming to this #1 hit. Okay, the chord progression and strumming is nice and easy for this particular song. Let's have a look at it now. Starts on the G major chord. Here we go. To the D chord. To the A minor. And then to the C chord. Back to the D. Sugar pie, honey bunch, you know I love you. I can't help myself. I love you and nobody else. That's it. Nice and easy. That same chord progression through the entire song. Very, very easy to do. All right, so now we're going to mic it up. I'm going to call on a great backbeat from my Beatbuddy by Singular Sound. Practice that a few times and be ready to join me. Sugar pie, honey bunch, you know I love you. I can't help myself. I love you and nobody else. When you snap your fingers, wink your eye, I come running to you. I'm tied to love. Oh, there's nothing you can do. Sugar pie, honey bun, I'm weaker than a man should be. I can't help myself. I'm a fool in love, don't you see? Wanna tell you I love you. God knows every day I try, but every time I see your beautiful face, get choked up inside. I wanna call your name, girl, it starts playing. No matter how hard I try, my love for you just can't hide. Sugar pie, honey bunch, I'll do anything you ask of me. I can't help myself. I love you and nobody else. pie, honey buns. You know I love you. I can't help myself. I love you and nobody else. And there you have it. I Can't Help Myself. Performed by the Four Tops, written by Holland, Dozer, and Holland. Thanks for tuning into my acoustic lounge. My name is Troy Haas. If you like my videos, please hit the subscribe button. I appreciate it very much. Till the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.